What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a bit of a different video than my normal fitness videos or lifestyle videos. Today I'm going to be talking about something that I am also very passionate about, which is investing and finances and all that fun stuff. I think it's really important that people, especially at a young age, learn about investing and, how to make money so you can prepare for your future. And what I'm going to be doing today is breaking down my stock portfolio. I've been investing now specifically by myself for the past, I'd say it's been about 3 months. Before I had a kind of like all my investments taken care of for me or revised for me, but now I do it strictly myself. So I'm going to go through all my stocks that I have. I'm currently holding 9 right now. I'm going to tell you what percentage they make up of my whole portfolio. I'm not going to tell you the exacts that I have invested into them because that doesn't really matter. That's all individual based. What I put into stocks doesn't really mean exactly what you guys are going to be able to put into stocks. You could be able to invest a lot more or a lot less, so it doesn't really matter exactly what I'm doing. But I will give you the breakdown of how much it makes up so that I can kind of show you where I'm putting the majority of my investments and allocating them. But anyways, let's get into it. So the first, I'm going to start from the lowest, the lowest makeup of my portfolio to the highest makeup, so the percentages. So the first stock that I have here is Vision Lithium Incorporation, which is the ticker symbol VLI. This stock makes up 2.22% of my total portfolio. Why am I invested in this stock? Well, for one, it is the only penny stock I have. A penny stock is a stock that is trading for less than $1 per share. This is more of it's a long-term hold for me. So Vision Lithium, a lithium mining company. So they make lithium, they extract it which is used to make primarily at the moment electric car batteries. Electric cars are becoming more of a mainstream thing. It's what people want. It's what the world is going to. I think that this company has a great potential to grow in the next coming 5-10 years. I think I can get a lot back on this, and I want to be a early holder of this stock, so the gains that I can make throughout the years will be pretty high. That's why I have that stock. This is a Canadian company, so it's a lithium company that I wanted in Canada. They're actually located in Quebec, so I just wanted to have a Canadian company. So that goes on to my second stock, which is the American Lithium Corporation, which makes up 2.49% of my total portfolio. So again, this is the same type of thing as the first one. They do the same thing. They extract lithium. This is an American company. Reason I picked this one specifically is because it's actually very close to the Tesla Gigafactory in Nevada. So where Tesla gets most of their lithium from. Obviously, Tesla being a massive company. This company also has support from the government because they use sustainable methods of extracting lithium. So with the government funding, shows that they have a lot of room to grow, and they can get more money in to expand the company to then further grow it. So I think with the government backing up this company, it doesn't show any signs of slowing down really or doing anything but growing as a company. The basins that they mine in are still very underdeveloped, which means not much has been touched, and it has a near surface deposit, so it's not going to take them a lot to extract the lithium itself. So it is something that could grow in the next couple years. I feel that it could be a main contender in the lithium extraction industry, so that is why I have this stock. Third one, we have Coinbase Global Incorporation with the ticker symbol COIN. This makes up 6.39% of my total portfolio. Why do I have this? Okay, so clearly with the world, crypto is a big mainstream thing right now. Everyone's buying Bitcoin, everyone's buying Ethereum, Dogecoin, everyone wants crypto, everyone wants to get into the action. Me, myself, I have 0 cryptocurrency. Reason being is it's obviously, there's not much, it's still very new, so there's not much research or things, you can't really track the trends of that. It's a very risky investment because you don't actually know really what's going to happen with it in the future. But I am very aware that there are a lot of people that are interested into crypto and are buying and exchanging crypto. So Coinbase is one of the top 5 crypto exchange platforms, so it is being used very often. It's a very popular platform. People are clearly interested in crypto, so I feel that this company, people are only going to continuously to buy cryptocurrency and exchange it. It is also the world's largest Bitcoin exchange and broker. This company has recently announced a NFT launch. So NFTs, non-fungible tokens, it's another form of crypto, but it's not exactly a currency. You guys can do your research on NFTs, but they're becoming very popular. With this new launch, I expect that this company in the next couple months to a year will expand even more as more people will be using the website or the app, and it's only expected to increase in performance. This isn't more of a long term for me, as again, I'm not as confident in cryptocurrency, so I don't know how long it will last for, but I'm going to hold this for as long as it seems to be making a push, until I feel that it could drop and then I could sell out. Number 4 is Microsoft Corporation with the ticker symbol MSFT, which makes up 6.74% of my total portfolio. So, everyone knows Microsoft. Microsoft is the second largest company by market capitalization. Microsoft is always innovating. It's always growing. It's always finding new ways to grow as a company and just being one of those leaders in the industry. This is more of a long-term investment for me, as I feel it's a very safe investment. Microsoft is very well established. There's no signs of Microsoft slowing down or going bankrupt anytime soon. They're only going to just continuously grow with the world we live in and keep innovating to stay in the loop and stay relevant. The returns on it aren't as high because it's not going to be a quick return, but over the years, it definitely will continue to push and make an increase and give me returns. Number 5 is the Toronto Dominion Bank with ticker symbol TD, which makes up 7.1% of my total portfolio. TD is one of the top Canadian financial institutions. It has a great record of paying dividends to its shareholders. So every year it pays out dividends for what they make to the shareholder. TD also has a great presence in America as well. I don't know if any of you are into trading and stuff. TD Ameritrade is a big trading platform for mostly day traders for investing in stocks and things like that. Banks are always a safe investment, I feel, because everyone needs a bank. Everyone's using money. Everyone needs money. So banks will always be used, I feel. I don't think banks will have any time of slowing down at all. Over the pandemic, this bank did take a little bit of a hit, but post-pandemic, it is predicted to have a great economic rebound and continuously to grow and have a massive push in the next year or so. So I feel that this is a great investment for me, and it should only pay off in the long run. Number 6, we have Shopify Incorporation with the ticker symbol SHOP, SHOP. This makes up 10.89% of my total portfolio. Most of you probably know Shopify as well. Shopify is the biggest e-commerce platform in the English-speaking world. Clearly, the world is continuously evolving and moving towards an online world. People are doing as much shopping as they can online because it's convenience. You know, you can say with Amazon stuff, you can get free shipping to your house in 2 days. So why would you ever go out to a store? You know, it's a lot easier for people to just buy things online and get it to their front doorstep than actually go to a mall or anything like that. So people are using these e-commerce platforms. People are buying online, which is only obviously growing. Shopify during the pandemic, they were definitely a great winner out of that because everyone was online. So they made crazy profits through this time. And again, even post-pandemic, people are learning that people are still not always going to the store and stuff to do their things. People are doing more things online because it's convenient to them. In the past 5 years, the stock grew over 2,930%, which is massive, crazy. Now, is that going to happen from now on, like in the next year or so? Probably not, but it is expected to continuously grow, and it's not expected to slow down anytime soon. It's only getting stronger. It's becoming even bigger by the day. So I think this is a great investment for me. I think this is very smart, and yeah, this is why this makes up a decent amount of my portfolio. All right, number 7, we have Suncor Energy Incorporation, ticker symbol SU, which makes up 14.92% of my total portfolio. So Suncor Energy, this is a Canadian energy stock. They use forms of renewable energy to extract different oils and stuff. Clearly, the world is pushing towards more renewable energy sources. People are trying to find ways to preserve the earth. Companies are making it a priority for them to do good on the environment. This is definitely good for long term, as again, the world is only going to continuously go towards more renewable energy, because it's going to get to a point where we don't have a choice in the matter, and we're going to have to use these renewable energy sources because we're going to, discrete the world of all its natural resources. I think this is a great hold. Again, I'm using, as you guys can see from most of it, I'm using a lot of different, a lot of companies that are doing good on the environment, which is what I think is very important, and I know that other people think is very important. So that's why these are the stocks that I'm investing in, because it's what I know. Number 8, we all knew it was coming. Tesla Incorporation, ticker symbol TSLA, which makes up 22.29% of my total portfolio. Tesla, everyone knows Tesla. It is the biggest electric vehicle company in the world. The world is shifting to electric vehicles, clearly. Canada has actually recently announced that by 2035, they are expecting that it will be mandatory that all vehicles on the road are electric vehicles. This company in the past 5 years has blown up. They expected to rise another 300% in the next 5 years. There's a lot of buzz behind Tesla. Everyone wants a Tesla. Everyone wants to be Elon, I don't think this company is going to slow down anytime soon. I think it's going to be the biggest vehicle distributor in the world, and I think it'll stay there for a long time. Elon Musk is the modern day Albert Einstein. Everybody trusts him. What he says, people believe in. So with him behind the company and him backing it up, I don't see why this company will not continuously skyrocket. And someday I think it will be one of the most profitable and the biggest companies on the planet. Last but not least, we have number 9, the Vanguard S&P 500 Intex ETF Fund. Ticker symbol VFV, which makes up 27.57% of my total portfolio. So, what is this? This isn't a specific stock. Okay, this is a fund that invests in all the stocks within the S&P 500. The S&P 500 are the 500 largest companies in the United States. This investment is obviously well diversified, because with putting my money in here, I'm not investing in a singular stock. I'm investing in a 500, basically, different stocks and companies. So with this, it is more of a low risk, because I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket, The returns of most ETFs, but this one specifically, it's not crazy high. But in the long term, it is said it pays out around 10% annually. So if you put $10,000 in, you're making around $1,000 per year by investing in this fund. I'm not here trying to make a quick buck. There are a lot of stocks that people get lucky and you make a lot really, really fast. But that's not the reality. That's not what your aim should be. if you're investing, it should not be to make money like that. I look at it as all my money that I invest is me saving, and whatever I make as a percentage out of that, great. I'm not expecting to use any of this as like an income or anything like this. This is just to grow my wealth over the years and have a good place to put it. So most of my, as you can see, most of my investments are safe. I know that I will make a return on these. It might not be a lot, but I will make a profit. So obviously, it's better than just throwing it into a regular savings or checkings account that might make me 0.5% interest. I can be pretty certain that, especially in the next, 20, 25 years of putting my money in here, I should make easily over 10% back on my returns. So that's all I can ask for. So that is it for my stock market portfolio. I know that I might get a lot of people saying, oh, why don't you put your money here? Why don't you put your money here? Why don't you put your money here? I'm not an expert, okay? This is what I'm doing. I'm not telling any of you that you should copy this portfolio to the T. I'm just giving you what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, my thought process of it, and yeah, I mean, if there's any of you out here, I would love some positive criticism, Tell me why I'm doing some things wrong, what I should be doing elsewhere. Maybe I should be putting less money here, more money here, or I should be selling off some of these stocks in general because I could put my money in a better place. I'm open to that. Another thing is too, why I only have 9. This is my first year investing. I have a TFSA, which is a tax-free savings account. So everything I make won't be going towards my income tax. So I won't have to pay off any of it in taxes. All the profit I make will be profit. With those, you can only contribute around $6,000 per year into this account. If you do any more than that, you will get a tax penalty for that. You have to pay money because of it. So I've maxed out my TFSA. For the next year, which starts at January 1st, that's when I can put more money back into it without getting any penalties. So I'm saving up now, so when January 1st comes, I will put more back into it to then max out it the next year. My goal is to, for the next, especially the next 4 or 5 years, is just to max out my TFSA every year and fully contribute. So once January 1st comes, I would definitely do an update for this of where I'm putting the other money that I have invested back in. If I'm putting it back into here, if I'm buying any more stocks, I would definitely do an update for that so you guys can see what I'm doing. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too boring. Again, this stuff is kind of boring, but it's very important. So I hope a lot of you listened and maybe even got it to the end. I appreciate that very much. I'd really appreciate it if you dropped a like, left me a comment. I will reply to all the comments and maybe consider subscribing. Again, I do a lot of fitness stuff on here too, but I'm actually going to definitely be doing more of this type of thing because it's it's very important to me. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I might be going back and forth, probably do like a fitness and then like a financial or investment or something like that, and just kind of go rotate back and forth like that throughout the week. So I'm going to shut up. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much. I think I already said that, but I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys next week in the next video.